So today, ChatGPT released another update as part of their 12 Days of Christmas. And if you are a Plus or Pro subscriber of ChatGPT, you get access to this new feature. So ako before, kasi laging kong problema sa ChatGPT is whenever you chat, nalalagay lang siya sa sidebar. So lahat ng mga conversations mo, mapupunta na lahat dun. So walang way of organizing it, no? So if you have topics about a business project, you're doing a coding project, or if you're doing a content creation project, lahat yun hahanapin mo pa on the site. So dinagdagan na nga nila ng search. But this time, they made it way better, no? I mean, they put organizational components to it. So I'll show it to you. So this is the new feature na meron ang ChatGPT. It's called Projects. So here, so yung projects na yan, you can see, meron na siyang, you can put folders. So pag kinilik mo yung icon here, you can actually create a project name. So natin test lang muna, test, and then create a project. So, pag nag-create na siya ng project, you can change the color. So, pwede ka mamili ng colors. Natin orange, red, or orange lang, orange. And then, ang maganda dito is you can actually add files. So, tinesting ko siya. You can add around 20 files for this. So, if you have a brand or a documentation about your business, about your brand voice, whatever documentation, you can upload it here. Maximum niya is 20 files, no? And then you can do custom instructions as well. So pwede mo siyang i-prompt to have a systems prompt where you give an instruction na what this whole project would be like. So if it's going to be about content creation, you can put all your instructions to the AI na ito yung gagawin lang niya, no? So which is usually nagagawa pag custom GPT, but this one pwede mo na siyang gawin on its own. So I find it super, kung malakas gumamit ng ChatGPT, sobrang useful to. And then dito lalabas yung mga chats mo. So yan, and then it has access to, you can attach files as well, and you can has access to Canvas where you can write codes and picture. So sobrang very, very helpful if you are into organizing things, like kung ayaw mo ng mga sabog-sabog like here, yan, you can use the project. So yeah, no. So that's another update of OpenAI for their 12 Days for Christmas, yung projects for the Plus and Pro subscribers nila. So I hope you like this episode, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you.